Hi, I'm here with some breaking news. We have a tornado coming, so I'm going to answer some of you guys' questions so you know more about tornadoes and stay safe. The first question is, how does a tornado form? A tornado forms when air at two different altitudes starts to rotate. So that creates wind shear. Wind shear is basically just a change in the wind's direction, so it's nothing that complicated. Since tornadoes are born in thunderstorms, when the wind gets faster, a funnel cloud is formed, and the hail and the rain from the thunderstorm make the funnel touch down, and that creates a tornado. Most people think that tornadoes just come from the clouds vertically, but that's not true. They come horizontally and slowly make their way down vertically. Here's an example on what it looks like when a tornado is forming. It's starting horizontally and slowly moving its way down vertically. And it's slowly making its way down to touch the ground. Tornadoes can get up to 250 miles per hour. That is a lot. And now it's finally made its way down to the ground. Tornadoes are predicted by meteorologists because basically they send up satellites and it predicts the weather and it tells them what kind of weather is coming. But it is very hard to predict a tornado because they happen so quickly. Usually the most warning time is about 20 minutes because they form so quickly. They don't really have enough time to predict a tornado because they form very quickly. And it happens all very fast. So, meteorologists, they can see radar storm supercells developing, and they can watch how fast the tornadoes are moving. Tornadoes are put into categories. So there's like category 1, which isn't a very powerful tornado. There's category 2, and it's not as powerful either. Category 3 is kind of in the middle. Category 4 is like it's very damageable, and category 5 is like it's really bad tornado. There's going to be a lot of damage going on. So that's what the categories mean. If you ever like hear on the news if there's like a tornado watch, that's what the categories mean. When a tornado is happening, some precautions that you can take is if you're in a car, if you can't drive away from the tornado safely, you can either find a building to go into with a basement, or you can go in a ditch because that's actually a very safe place. You can also drive away from this tornado, but you can also hide in your car, even though it's not the safest place. But make sure you crouch down because you don't want to be near any windows during a tornado because they could break open and you don't want any glass on you. If you're in a building, you need to find a basement. If you don't have a basement, then go to an inner hallway or a small closet. I heard that you can be in a bathtub, but I'm not sure if that would really help. But and if you're outside, like I said, you can go in a ditch, or you can find a building and that has a basement or a closet or an inner hallway. So what happens in the result of a tornado? So there is literally tornadoes. The wind is so powerful, it picks objects up and throws them right out, causing a lot of damage. So usually there's things everywhere. There's houses smashed, there's cars are ruined, basically a lot of things are ruined. Tornadoes are very powerful. Like I said, they can get up to 250 miles per hour, which is a lot of miles per hour. Tornadoes, some impact that they have had historically is the most tornadoes in 1 year was 1,819 tornadoes reported, and that was in 1 year in the U.S. The average of tornadoes in Texas is 132. There's a lot of tornadoes in Texas. Yeah, because that's like the most likely place to get a tornado. Thank you for watching, and make sure you stay safe for the tornado that's coming our way.